In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Ariston water heater. Now I'm referring to the official manual of the Ariston water heater. Basically, to reset the Ariston water heater, you need to switch off the circuit breaker first for it to be safe. Remove the front maintenance panel, and then you want to press the red and black reset button on the thermostat until it clicks. Now, this safety button, often located under a cover on the unit, trips if the water overheats or a fault occur. So that's why this is happening. Now, as a step-by-step instruction, you want to turn off the power first. You want to switch off your circuit breaker for the water heater to ensure safety. You want to access the button by once again removing the front panel. You want to press the reset button for around 5 seconds until you hear the click. You want to restore the power, and from there, you will be able to completely reset your Ariston water heater. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.